The SE3200 and HS3200 both provide up to 8 PIP windows, yielding a screen output of a Flexsource background with 4 Flex PIP windows and 4 PIP windows. Today, we will show you how to create an 8 PIP window effect for a gaming tournament. First, let's talk about the layout. Channels 1 through 4 are players' screens. Channel 5 is the gaming platform. Channel 6 is the anchors. Channel 7 and 8 display event information. Channel 9 is a static background image. Note that in this module, we will not use the preview screen. Step 1. Open the Flexsource image. Let's configure the Flexsource image. Press the Shift and Flex keys on the keyboard control panel at the same time to open the Flexsource image. You will be able to see 4 Flex PIP windows on a background image. Step 2. Configure the Flexsource background. Press the menu key on the keyboard control panel to open the OSD menu. Then, browse to Flexsource background. As soon as input 9 is selected, you will then be able to see on the multi-view screen the background switched to the still image loaded on channel 9. Step 3. Set the Flexsource input source. Next, set PIP1 source to input 5. Set to PIP2 source to input 6. Set PIP3 source to input 7. Set PIP4 source to input 8. You can also use the corresponding shortcut keys by pressing key 1 preview plus 5, key 2 preview plus 6, key 3 preview plus 7, and key 4 preview plus 8. Step 4. Configure the Flexsource windows. Go back to the menu Home, enter PIP, then Keyer, then select Flex PIP1 in order to adjust the window's position, size, border, and crop. Also, adjust the Flex PIP2, Flex PIP3, and Flex PIP4 accordingly. This completes the Flexsource configuration, and you will be able to see 4 PIP windows on a background image. Step 5. Set the keyer control. Go back to the menu Home, enter Keyer, then select Key 1. In the Keyer control option, select PIP. Set all Key 2, Key 3, and Key 4 to PIP as well. Press Key 1, 2, 3, 4 program keys on the keyboard control panel, and you will then be able to see the 4 sub-windows of the corresponding keyers. Step 6. Set the keyer PIP input source. Enter Chroma, then Keyer, select Key 1, and in the Key Source option, select Input 1. Then, set Key 2 to Input 2, Key 3 to Input 3, and Key 4 to Input 4. You can also use shortcut keys Key 1 Program plus 1, Key 2 Program plus 2, Key 3 Program plus 3, and Key 4 Program plus 4 to speed up the configuration process. After Keyer 1 through 4 are enabled, you will be able to see 4 players on the display monitor. Step 7. Configure the keyer PIP windows. Enter PIP, then select Key 1 in order to adjust the window's position, size, border, shade matte, and crop. Also, adjust Key 2, Key 3, and Key 4 accordingly. After all 4 keyers are configured and activated, this completes a program view with 8 PIP windows overlapped on a background image.